Hello, good evening students. Today's transcription number back of 132 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Only two agencies are involved in this work. The central government allocates the money and the state governments implement the programs. It is the central government that knows the extent to which the guidelines issued by them are followed by the state governments. One thing is certain, that once the money reaches the district and block level, the central government has no control over it. It is said that monitoring is being done, but how and in what way it is done? So far, I have not seen any representative of the central government going to the block level and verifying the work done or inquiring from the people and listening to them. The central government has not taken any steps in this regard. The Honorable Prime Minister has also been saying that out of 6 rupees, only 1 rupee reaches the people and the remaining amount is spent on administration. I would like to cite the instance of Uttar Pradesh. In this state, there is a district development officer in each district to look after the development works. Nowadays, all works have come to a standstill. The officers have no work to do. The District Rural Development Agency, a parallel agency, has its parallel office and parallel staff. But the agencies of the state government are silent. Nobody knows what they are doing except attending to routine administrative work. Most of the state governments do not undertake any development work out of their own resources. Construction of roads in rural areas is the primary work of the state governments, but no state government is utilizing its resources on construction of roads in rural areas. They are undertaking this work with the funds received from the central government. Salaries are being paid and expenditure is being incurred, but the department of the state government is sitting idle with no work. Is it not possible for the concerned department of the state government to undertake this work? It could have been converted into the District Rural Development Agency. What is the need of separate departments, separate bureaucrats, and separate staff? The entire funds are being spent on the maintenance of staff. Honorable Minister of Finance might be aware that the state governments do not want to mobilize resources. They are not imposing any fresh taxes. We come to know from newspapers and AIR and TV news that such and such state passed a tax-free budget. Today, no state is prepared to impose any tax. They want to undertake all the works with the funds received from the center. Every state, whether it is the Congress ruled or non-Congress ruled, alleges that the central government is discriminating against it. It has become a tendency with the state governments not to levy any taxes. They want to depend entirely on funds given by the center. All the state governments whether it is the Congress or the non-Congress government, want to avail of the credit facility.